Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about Forex. Forex trading is turning heads, but you should be mindful. Forex trading. What is Forex trading? This is one of the most lucrative investment options available right now. Earlier only financial institutions and banks could get involved in this, but as the internet age grasped the world, millions of people worldwide began to invest in forex trading. The popularity to such trading became over the years, and today the expensive investment platform draws over $4 trillion of global total transaction every day. The growing popularity of FX trading has made the procedure highly competitive and challenging. But the beneficiary of trend cons involved with however important. Forex trading. Forex trading strategy mindfully trading. The best running website Forex trading. Online trading at XM24 of 5. Support in 30 languages. XM.com. Top 14 successful Forex traders do. MetaTrader 4 Forex trading. What is mindful trading? 5 reasons you should try it. What is mindful trading? How mindful can make you better trader? 5 reasons to try mindful trading. Maintain emotional equilibrium. Better judgment. Better focusing ability. Better information processing. The best way to be mindful trader. Minimize distractions, value calm behavior. What is mindful trading? Mindful trading is trading without reacting emotions. How mindfulness can make you better trader. Better judgment. Becoming an observer, you can thought and feeling and getting the detachment from emotion that is the part of mindfulness allows better judgment when making decisions. Understanding the reaction, living in just in each moment and taking time to sit. Better focusing ability. Better information processing. Staying calm under pressure. The best way to mindful. Hope you understand. Like, thanks for watching.